Nope. Down one.
Is he gonna make it? I think he's gonna crash. Wow! Son of a... Oh, I didn't even capture that. Oh man. Dude, he came
That was
so
scary.
fucking close to piling. I was most scared of that. You know what? Though he did the right thing, I think. Although I don't know if I would have done a U-turn. I don't think I would have done 360. I think I would have come in and looked around again.
That was fucking scary.
Yeah. Dude, you show it to India, nobody will even